Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import Etsy reviews to Shopify. So this is the example of the product that I'm going to import to my Shopify account. So from here, all you have to do is to download this another extension or another app for you to transfer or import your Etsy reviews. So this one is what we call the Wise reviews. So we have to download this. So you can tap that from your Shopify apps, and then you can tap all recommended apps, and then here find more apps in the Shopify app store. You can tap on it, and then from here you can now tap or download that Wise reviews from there. So just type Wise reviews and it will appear right away. So this is the one that we're looking for. So just tap on it and start downloading on your PC. So you can allow that application and make it an extension to your Shopify account. So once you have that, it will appear here on the left side on your end, the apps. So you have already your another dashboard for the Wise reviews. So this is the product that I'm going to use. So I just copied this and I made another, or I uploaded another picture from my Shopify. So I need to do this, or we need to make another product that is the same as what we see on the Etsy reviews or Etsy app. So I'm going to use now this Wise reviews in order for me to import reviews from the Etsy account. So just go to reviews and tap import reviews, and in here you have to pick the product that you have made from Shopify, and then the product link, go to your Etsy account and then click or copy the link and paste it on the box provided below. And then all you have to do is to tap import. So reminder that it displays up to 100 reviews per product only, so they don't have any control on the limitation. So just tap import and wait for it to load until it will completely import all of the reviews from Etsy, and it will appear right away on your Shopify product. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.